Whoa, hold on. Stop scrolling for 1 second because I need to know why no one warned me about these frosted lemon blueberry crumble Pop-Tarts. Oh my God, it is so freaking good. Because why does this taste like something I'd pay way too much for at the bakery, y'all? And it's just a staple in my pantry since they came out with this new flavor. It's sweet, but not too sweet. Look at this. I want you guys to check it out. Look at this. These little yellow things on here, they are lemon zest. When you open it up, you got the blueberry goodness. Oh, y'all, it is totally worth it. It's sweet, but not too sweet. The lemon is actually lemony, and the blueberry tastes real. Guys, hold on. I got to have a bite of this. And then there's this crumble thing happening that makes it feel fancy for no reason. And listen, straight out of the package is good. Toasted, oh my gosh, elite. Like I'm sitting in a cafe pretending that I have my life's energy together when I really don't, guys. This is my go-to when I want dessert, but I don't want chocolate. And I definitely don't want to bake or clean up after myself. Also, these disappear fast. Like, you buy them for the week and somehow they're gone in 2 days. Yeah, that's how it is in my house. If you like lemon desserts or blueberry anything and you're not eating one of these yet, sweetheart, that is on you. Anyway, I'm stocking up because my future deserves nice things. But truly, why I love this product, it tastes like a bakery treat without the effort. It's lemon and blueberry combo. It's perfectly balanced. Crumble texture makes it feel elevated. The toasted version is next level good, guys. It's great when you want dessert, but not chocolate. One of those accidentally eat the whole box kind of snacks. So guys, you really need to try this, but you're going to have to get your own box because I am not sharing.